Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to claim Avacoin in Telegram. So yeah guys, with that being said, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, you just have to download the Telegram application and log in into your account. So I've already done that, so I'm just gonna open up Telegram. And here I just have to go to contacts and search for Avacoin. Here like this, just click on the first link, then click on play. I'm just gonna start this application, and then you just have to click on the start era, and you can complete this tasks and everything like that and start earning Avacoin, and then you can just withdraw it to your desired wallet. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then consider subscribing. With that being said guys, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.